Hi, it's Jennifer here with Jennifer Tries. I am back. I am really excited. I know I look a little bit of a mess, but it's because I'm here and I already feel like I'm late to the game, but I'm actually here to do some fun Halloween, super easy Halloween costumes. So I love Halloween, but because I'm getting older, I don't tend to get as into Halloween as I used to, because I used to be able to, we used to go out and dress up and it was really fun. And now that I'm older, I don't quite do that as much, but I still love the idea of Halloween. So I thought it would be really fun to do a handful of easy, fun Halloween makeup tutorials. Not even really tutorials, they're just like ideas. And also I'm sorry about my light in the back, the thing broke, so it's like I'm bouncing against the wall. And I'm also doing this in my bedroom because I felt like it. My living room's a mess and I didn't want to have to move around and stuff, and this is easier. So the last time I did one of these was several years ago, and I did one for like a 1920s Boardwalk Empire show kind of theme, and it was really fun, but I ended up sort of just looking like a 1920s brothel owner, and it was really fun to do. So I still have that up on my channel, so definitely take a peek, but I can link it as well. But today I thought would be a really fun one to do, since the 90s are really in full effect right now with the styles and what the kids are wearing these days. And I, for one, am a huge fan of the 90s. I'm a teenager of the 90s. Oh, I'm a kid of the 90s. So I thought it would be really fun to do a 90s grunge look, which is why I look grungy. I mean, I'm clean, but I wanted to give the appeal of being, grungy. So I have my trusty flannel, which I lived in these when I was in high school and junior high. I have sort of a raggedy t-shirt on. I wanted one that was more like I used to wear, like a crew neck with like holes in the neck. I don't have anything like that, so this is my Free People. This is about as raggedy as we're gonna get here. And then I have some hats and I have some makeup. So when I was in high school and how I did my makeup, I guess this could be one of those fun how I wore my makeup in high school. It was pretty simple. A lot of black eyeliner, smudgy, a dark lipstick, and then that was pretty much it. I do have foundation on, because I did wear foundation, but I didn't, obviously contour or anything like that. That wasn't like a thing that we did, or that I did. Maybe someone did, I didn't do it. So I have my makeup stuff here is really minimal, and I gotta tell you, I haven't worn an eyeliner in a really long time, so this is gonna be really fun. But the thing is about the grunge is that the more unprecise the eyeliner, the better it is. So I can't go wrong with this. This is gonna be really fun. So I'm actually just gonna put my hair up just to get it out of the way so I don't fiddle with it too much, but I'm just gonna pop it up with a headband. So again, the makeup is really simple. I used to wear a lipstick that I think I got it at MAC, and it was sort of this darker red brick color. I don't remember the name of it, but the one I'm going to be using today is Blow by Marc Jacobs. It's a kind of a similar color, but we're going to get to it. Again, like I said, I haven't worn eyeliner in a really long time, but the one I got was from e.l.f. It's like $1. It's one of these thick ones, and it has a spongy thing on the end, which is going to make it nice for blending. So what I used to do, I'm going to pull this up a little further here without banging it too much. So what I used to do with the eyeliner is I would start from here and go all the way to the bottom, and then just halfway through here. But sometimes I would go all the way down and along here. So what I'm gonna do is just rough it up around here and go under, and then just smudge it around so it kind of gets over the lid. And then we're good to go. So we'll get started here. So like I said, it's been a really long time. I'm gonna look down in my mirror that I have here, just so I can kind of get the rough start of it. Yeah, I'm gonna need to look like down. Okay, so I always used to pull my eye just to get it more taut, but I don't know, that's like a thing that we still do. And then, yeah. So when I was younger, a teenager, I never did like the waterline kind of thing. just because, oops, just because I didn't. So I always had a little bit of like skin showing in my eye, which, you know, it is what it is. And then I never really did like a waterline, I mean a cat eye kind of thing. Okay. So it's there, and I'm gonna take the spongy side, and then I'm gonna take my mirror, and I'm just gonna smudge it out. And just make it messy. You know, the messier, the better. And this is a fun one, you know, get your jeans, roll them up, make sure they're baggy with some holes in it, wear your Doc Martens with some socks. And if you have like a choker kind of thing, rock that, definitely. This is sort of what I wore when I was in high school and junior high and middle school. I remember, you know, Nirvana was like a big deal when I was in middle school. And I actually remember the day and where I was. I remember the day obviously, but I remember exactly where I was and what I was doing the day that we heard Kurt Cobain died, which was a hard day for everybody, you know, because we loved Nirvana. I was in junior high. It's now middle school, but I was in junior high, and my dad came to pick me up, and I think I was going to like the dentist or a doctor's appointment, but I remember I got picked up early, and I got in the car, and first thing he said was, Kurt Cobain died. And I just didn't believe it, honestly. But I remember it was just such a huge thing, and so many kids from school were going to the memorial at the Seattle Center. Because by the way, I live in Seattle. I don't know if I ever said that or not, but so yeah, it was a big deal around here, and for everybody, not just around here, but for everybody. Okay, so you can kind of see that. And as I said, you know, the nice thing about this look is you really don't have to. Oh my God, my eyes are starting to get wrinkly, and I'm not having it. And I'm really not making it look pretty. That's not what this is about. We're not here to look pretty. We're here to look like we don't give a shit, you know? Because we don't. I'm actually gonna just smudge it out with a brush, just a little bit more, just because I want to get it just slightly less choppy, but more like, you know, more over the lid. And the thing is, this spongy thing, it hurts. So this is better. Plus I still have some leftover black eyeshadow on here, so this is perfect. Okay, so that is that. That's the eyes, as you can see. It looks really nice. And then the nothing beats a 90s grunge look than really clumpy mascara. I got this MAC mascara. This one is Upward Lash in black from MAC. I have two, and this one is nice. Like, it's definitely thinner, but it definitely clumps up my lashes a little bit more. So I'm gonna throw some of that on. And I wore so much mascara when I was younger. I loved it. If anything, even if I didn't wear any makeup at all, I always wore mascara. Mascara. Okay. And then, you know, the thing is, you want to top it off, wear some really dark, chipped nail polish. Black, red, whatever. You do you. All right. There you can see. Yeah, that looks cool. All right. I never wore blush, but I am going to use this sort of taupey coffee cake creamy thing, spongy from Maybelline, and I'm just to not really do a whole lot, but just to zhuzh it up a little. And then the Piece de Resistance lipstick. So this is the color. It's like a pretty red brick color. And then I'm terrible at putting lipstick on. I'm literally the worst. This happens all the time. But just think of Courtney Love in the 90s. Just, you know, a mess. Even though we love Courtney. But just, you know, nothing better than a little schmutz on the side there. I don't even have any foundation to fix it. Okay. So, that's the makeup. And then another thing that I always wore. Boom. Now, another thing that I used to do when I was in high school, and I did this before it was like a popular thing to do. I had really short hair too in the 90s, which I think could be really fun if you just had like a shorter wig or something like that, but yeah, I'm gonna fake some short hair. Perfect. I like it. I think this is fun. Yeah, so let's say I'm going out for Halloween this year. I think I probably would do this. Maybe fix up my lipstick so it doesn't look so, you know, rough and tumble. But I really like this. I think it's really fun. I think I'd add some dark nail polish, and I'd probably get a choker, and then I'd wear some big boots and some baggy jeans rolled up, and throw on my denim jacket or wrap it around my waist or something. But yeah, so easy Halloween. So if you're looking for something super fast that you don't want to take a lot of time, most of us gals and guys are probably going to have something grunge related in our closet. So this could be really fun just to do. So have fun with Halloween. I'm going to have some fun ones coming up. I can't wait to share them with you. There's a couple that I'm really excited to do. So we'll see that here pretty soon. But other than that, happy Halloween, and we'll see you soon.